Hi, in front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5910, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with the iPhone via the Hama Fit Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. So first thing we need to do is to open the settings on our iPhone. So let's open the settings on iPhone. Now tap on the Bluetooth option. In Bluetooth, you should see the watch 5910 on the list. Tap on the info icon next to it, and here you have option called Share System Notifications. Make sure that this option is enabled. Once you're done, go back to the settings, scroll all the way down, find the Hama Fit Pro on the list, tap on it, then tap on Notifications, and here make sure that the Allow Notifications is enabled. Okay, once we have these options enabled, we can open the Hama Fit Pro application on our iPhone. In the application, we can tap on Device, tap on Notifications, and now we can enable the notifications by tapping on the switch. And here we can enable the notifications for different apps like calendar, SMS, email notification, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Skype, and stuff like that. Enable it for whatever you want. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. We can also enable the notification for calls. So to do it, tap on call notification, tap on the switch, and here we can set up a delay for the notification. So basically, if somebody is calling you on your phone, you can set up the delay so the watch alerts you after some time, basically. So it will pass, for example, 10 seconds, and then you will get the notification on your watch. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.